Alrighty, so check this out. I have made a GitHub action which listens for the result of another GitHub action and will actually show a status in OBS of this action. So this action here is a continuous delivery action that I've written to do a build of my source code and all that other stuff and deploy it. And if I get a green result, this thing will send to it's a HTTP server, the result of that, and basically that will then talk to this plugin that I have in OBS that will show the result of this workflow. All right, so the best way to show what I'm talking about is to actually just do it. So I'm going to kick off this workflow here by just manually triggering it. So I'm just going to run it against my master branch, and away we go. So we'll just watch that, and you can see now it's going into yellow. So I will just basically wait for this for a couple of minutes. All right, that's now green. So now my secondary workflow, my run result workflow, is about to kick in, and wait for it. It should come up any second now. Hey, look at that. Hey, build succeeded. So that workflow is now told my Node app, which has spoken to my React app and told it, hey, look, show a green badge. So that's pretty cool. So let's now actually break it, all right, so we can see what happens when something's broken. So I'm just going to come to my code. I'm just going to edit a file that's going to cause it to break. So I'll just say remove the J from JSON here. So I'm just going to manually edit it here in GitHub. So I'll just do that, and now we'll save the change. So commit the change, and I'll come up to my actions. That should automatically trigger my CD run here. There it is there. And then we'll just wait for that to error out. And there's the error. So now my workflow run results workflow will kick in. And in a second, we should see if it comes up. There it is. We've got ourselves a red build fail. How cool is that, eh?